Yes, alam mo, naiinis ako, bakit Owlid?
Yes.
Noong una talaga, when I was going through your profile, sabi ko, typo ba to?
Hey!
Kasi yung malayo pa eh. Akala ko, hindi baka last time pa typo kasi matagal na. Tapos napapansin ko, lahat pala Owlid. So explain to us, bakit nga ba Owlid? Para hindi na magagalit, guys. Hindi, okay na ako. I'm good.
Baka magalit ka pula
Hindi,
lang
okay
kasi.
na, promise. I'm better na.
Ano siya, actually, nagagalit din ako kasi every time na, mahilig po ako mag-type ng solid. Solid talaga tinatype ko parati. Pero every time nag-type ako ng solid, sa super bliss ng daliri ko, nagiging Owlid siya. Lagi siya, lagi. So, tinanggap ko na lang po siya na, sige na nga, Owlid na lang. Sige, tanggapin ko na to Owlid para meron naman term na Owlid. Kahit matype po ako, di ko na papalitan. So, yung Owlid, based siya sa solid. No, Owlid.
Pero yun nga, and now that it's explained, and now that when I was listening to the song, parang, I'm feeling it.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and
artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.